Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for smart product reviews that help make your daily life easier. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best pitcher for fridge use on the market right now, the LocknLock Aqua Fridge Door Water Jug. Whether you're storing iced tea, juice, or just cold water, this pitcher nails it in design, durability, and everyday practicality. Let's start with the basics. This is a 2-quart, or 64-ounce, BPA-free plastic pitcher. It's part of the Aqua Fridge Door series by LocknLock, and yes, it's designed specifically to fit snugly into the side compartment of your fridge door. That slim, rectangular design isn't just about aesthetics. It saves space while still holding a solid amount of liquid. Now here's what sets this pitcher apart: the patented two-sided hinge locking system. It snaps shut with a satisfying click, creating a tight, leak-proof seal. Thanks to the silicone-lined flip-top lid, you can forget spills, drips, and leaks even if it gets knocked around. It's also completely airtight and watertight, ideal for keeping your drinks fresh, especially if you like to prep your beverages ahead of time. This pitcher is built for real convenience. You can safely put it in the microwave, freezer, and top rack of the dishwasher. That means you can brew tea directly into it, chill homemade lemonade, or toss it in for an easy wash. No stress, no stains, no lingering smells. It's also available in multiple sizes and 7 different colors, from bright blues to classic clear. This specific model, the clear 64-ounce version, is a crowd favorite for good reason. You can easily see what's inside, it's light to handle, and the ergonomic design with a sturdy handle makes pouring feel natural and controlled. Imagine having guests over or prepping for the week. You pull this out of the fridge and it just works. No mess, no wobble, just a clean, crisp pour every single time. Let's talk build quality for a second. This isn't your average flimsy pitcher. It's made from strong, high-quality plastic that has passed hygiene and safety tests. LocknLock went out of their way to make this both durable and long-lasting. It doesn't warp with heat or crack under cold, and the seal remains strong over time. It's details like this that turn a basic kitchen item into something you'll love using daily. From brewing to storing, from fridge to table, the LocknLock Aqua pitcher delivers performance, versatility, and peace of mind. So if you're tired of leaky lids, bulky pitchers, or struggling to fit things in your fridge door, the LocknLock Aqua Fridge Jug is the upgrade you need. It's affordable, thoughtfully designed, and it just works. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews like this. Drop a comment below if you have questions or want us to compare this with other jugs on the market. See you in the next video.